Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the honourable member for this question. Mr. Speaker, sir, in fact, the annual reports from 2008 to 2015 are yet to be tabled. Mr. Speaker, sir, for an update to Parliament, the accounts actually have been audited by the Auditor General's Office. However, there are a number of queries that they've had, and those queries have been sent to the Human Rights Commission. They've sent it on to the former management. As you know, there's been an entire change in management, in particular after 2013. So they've sent it to the former management for their response. We understand that once the responses are received or not received, they will finalize the response to the Auditor General's office by September, which is this month, and then it will be tabled soon thereafter, as soon as the Auditor General's office completes those reports. Mr. Speaker, sir, we would also note that the 2016 to 2018 reports, in fact, were tabled in Parliament yesterday for that particular period. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.